everybody. So today is Saturday, June 20th, and it's been, I want to say, 4 days? Yeah, since Tuesday. So it's been 4 days since I've planted Arden 15 seed, and I've already got sprouts. So let's take a look. Filling in, some look good. Start mowing low. So just a little update in the morning. So stay tuned as this lawn progresses and grows in and fills in, and all the preventatives I gotta put down, all the treatments to get it where it needs to be, the fun part. So stay tuned, everybody. See you in the next one.